So this actually has two user-facing UIs. One is the admin panel, and the other one is the actual user-facing panel. So this what it does is it basically using voice agents. So what I have tried to do is try to help. There's a lot of customer-facing roles, right? Like when it like. Human resource, hospital receptionists, call centers, real estate agents, like where there's a lot of customer facing roles, right? So they have to be trained properly. So when you integrate it with voice agents, we can actually simulate some sort of environment they can train, right? Rather than actual human training.
Yeah.
So they can take a lot of different scenarios that we define, and when it comes to real estate, just a small example, if you take real estate, the people need to close clients, right? So some clients are very hard to deal with, the object a lot, and we can simulate those kind of situations through this application itself. That's what I've tried to do. So it actually works, and at the end of this, that particular person can get a report as well how they did. So if I show this as the voice recording transcript, so there are actually two prompts that I've used. One is in the voice agent where I've defined what it does. So it actually works as a customer through there are some dynamic variables like with the given company, the scenario, the difficulty level, the emotional state of the AI agent. So we can select that. So the AI agent's behavior will differ according to our customization. That's why we have the admin panel. You will define different scenarios as per your requirement. You can go to create new scenario. You can name something like, I don't know, something like again, a customer facing role, call center agent. And let's see, it's in healthcare. You can select the difficulty of the agent. Let's set it to medium. You can select the gender, the emotion. So let's say the client is frustrated. So let's say this is a healthcare center maybe. So this is a healthcare center. So the customer has received the calls report from the hospital. We can define the scenario like this. So this would be actually a hard situation for the actual human employee to deal with, right? So we can create this simulation. It's created. Once I refresh it, you can see it's here. So you can click this, go here, copy paste the link. You'll get this particular UI. Then you can enter your name, your email, and start the call. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Maybe my connection is not that good. Let me try another one maybe. The call is being initiated, but
Hello, is this Simucall Inc?
yes, this is.
Great. I'm honestly pretty frustrated. I requested to see a property on a specific date and no one showed me the place. What happened?
I'm really sorry, miss, that you experiencing this. May I know what is the exact property you have requested to view? Do you have your MLS code or something?
I already gave all the details last time. It was the townhouse on Maple Avenue for last Saturday. I cleared my schedule for this. Why wasn't anyone there?
I'm really sorry that you are experiencing this. So from my end, what I can do is I can offer you a free tour on some other properties that we have, and at the same time, I can contact the exact property you have requested because the property owner is not communicating with us, and I'm really frustrated with that client as well. I'm really sorry.
I appreciate the apology, but I needed clear communication before wasting my time. Why wasn't I told the owner wasn't responding? I could have made other plans.
I understand that. So I can cut the call, takes time. So I can cut the call, so it will be saved in our, let me take you there as well. I've used Superbase as my database. So that particular entry will be saved in Superbase as well with the transcript and all. So once I go here, to the actual admin dashboard. This was actually a real estate agent. I can view the response. You can see it's here. And this one, I can go here and it will give an entire report of how I did the code. So what it does is it sends the transcript to OpenAI and it analyzes according to my given transcript. We can obviously improve it because with the time and all it is. So it has given a negative sentiment because I have, ended the call without a proper ending. If there is a summary, there is a, communication summary, you can actually listen to the audio as well.
Hello, is this Simucall Inc.?
So that is basically I've used tools. So this is the code actually. I've used Next.js and its server side, capabilities to do all the backend stuff and Superbase for database, had ZN for UI and Tailwind uh, and retail for voice agents and OpenAI for analyzing and doing the transcripts and what else I've missed. Superbase for the database. Obviously, I have to integrate something like Clerk or something for authentication. Otherwise, what BP mentioned will happen in my case as well. If someone has access, they will, use my credit and all. So yep, this is pretty much it. So I think an organization that has a lot of clients facing roles can utilize it to train their employees, I would say. Yeah.